Hold up, man. Before you shoot me, man, can you remind me why we killing each other? I know we both barely got education and can't even spell our own names. But damn, man, we gotta be killing each other for something important, right? I mean, for all the brothers that done died out here and for all the homies that's laid up paralyzed, I need to know, man. So tell me, brother, the fuck we killing each other for?
Colors.
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 Colors? Colors.
Colors.
We killing each other over periwinkle, motherfucker? Pink like a pussy?
Yo, homeboy, you wanna call a truce?
Why not? Hey, dog, man, I raped your sister, then I slit her throat. I'm sorry. Shit, man. I carjacked your grandma, tied her hands behind her back, made her suck my dick, and then killed your granddaddy. I'm sorry.
It's all right, man. I'm sorry about blasting your motherfucking cousin, nigga.
Ain't that a bitch? A gang truce, huh? I never thought I'd live to see it. Lift your drinks up if you're watching this movie in the theater or at home, and pour out a little liquor. It's the ghetto thing. Just play along. This one goes out to all the fallen soldiers out there. You got to do it. For real, motherfucker, pour it out.